Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Solana price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. We're gonna start with Solana on the 4-hour chart to follow this bear market, this trend towards the downside, which it is of course a formation of double 1 2 here, and we have another 1 2 3 4 and a 5 to finish a wave 3, then wave 4 and a wave 5 toward the downside in 1 2 and then 3 4 and a 5 extended here to finish, of course, the wave 3 in the blue count. 1, 2, and then 3. Currently, you're looking at the wave 4 potentially and still unfolding, and then 4 and a 5, of course, toward the downside to finish one last drop for this impulse to hit the 0.618 and the 1-to-1 fib level in between them in our blue box. Currently, this correction, in case it is a correction, I believe it is not yet done, and that is for several reasons. The first one is that if you are in W, X, and a Y here, W and X and a wave Y, okay, this looks like 3 waves, right? A, B, and a C, but the wave C is, of course, a question mark, where you have kind of like a choppiness here, and in case, of course, that this is another A, B, and a C 3 waves, in case you have a running flat here, that means, of course, this is a zigzag. It cannot be a W, X, and a Y, again, of course, in a wave Y. Therefore, I'm still here suspicious about the drop towards the downside directly. I'm still looking for a diagonal, 1, 2, and then A, B, and a C here as a wave 3, wave 4 to hit, of course, the fib level, the perfect fib level for wave 4 between this box, and then, of course, pushing for a final wave 5. This is the only way to finish, of course, a wave Y, because, of course, you might still be here, a wave C. You might still be in an A, B, and a C. Your wave C is the diagonal. So, by all means, the wave Y as well, you are required here a smaller ending diagonal, A, B, and a C. And the wave C also of this ABC has to be a diagonal 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. Meaning, 2 diagonals internally they are unfolding, and this is where the trick goes on in Solana. So you have an A, B, and a C, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, or W, X, wave Y is an A, B, and a C, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Both case scenario are required, of course, one more high, and that means, of course, this box here is to be watched. You have to be watching this blue box or this testing area here, red box, $87 and $85 in between them. If we dive inside it on the 15-minute chart to analyze this drop, right now we have, of course, a potential A, B, and a C unfolding here, or double 1 2, meaning 1 2 1 2, and then wave 3 towards the downside. I doubt the double 1 2, of course, because yeah, that means something is wrong in this wave here, which is, of course, looking somehow as an expanding diagonal and not as an ending diagonal, as contracting diagonal. Yeah, so it looks like somehow open like this, and of course wave 5 longer than wave 3. Yeah, so and wave 3 shorter than wave 1, which is not allowed, by the way, in both case scenario. So something is wrong here, of course, within this wave. Definitely, I'm still looking for higher somewhere in this box. If we take a look also at the KGT here, 1-minute chart, we can see, of course, a double bearish signal here, given, of course, in the top, yes, claiming, of course, that we're gonna push downward. But we still have right now, of course, a bullish signal appearing there, very close from our box on the 1-minute time frames, the same as for the 3-minute time frame. So very, very likely that this red box here might start to unfold something toward the upside, despite that it looks a little bit like looking very bearish. But the things might, of course, start to shift upward from this area here, $85 for Solana. Yeah, the 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. We'll see, or even 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 as well. Yeah, so can be at least wave Y or a wave C. The wave C might reach, by the way, the 1-to-1 fib level. The wave Y might reach, of course, lower. This is also the difference between both, so be careful. Meaning as well, here in case, of course, we finish a wave 4, wave 5 as diagonal be careful. We might start to see, of course, something pushing down again from here. Yeah, it might not go very long toward the upside, especially that you took the high over there. Because of this diagonal here, that it might finish an ABC in a wave Y and then boom, pushing down. So don't be tricked, of course, also by the 1-to-1 fib level. At the end, pushing down from the 1-to-1 or from there, of course, we're still in a direction toward the downside. If we push downward from here, well, yeah, if the market does this, that will be a very, very tricky one. But yeah, the direction at the end is downward, despite that the correction might not be finished over there toward the upside here. That was it for Solana. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.